borrowing. Up to previous lecture, we learned subtraction all types, means with borrowing, without borrowing, or up to 4-digit number. In this lecture, we have to start subtraction of 5-digit number. So, see here. I written here one problem, word problem. Read. In a village, rupees 86,574 are collected through contribution for water conservation works. Rupees 74,254 are spent. Means students, observe here, total collected rupees are 86,574, and from these rupees 74,254 rupees are spent. Means students, see here, the remaining amount is to be used for groundwater recharging. And what we have to find here? See, how much money remains for these works. Means students, this problem is a subtraction problem, because here given collected rupees and spent rupees, and we have to find remaining rupees. So, see here, solution. Students, first write down given. What is given in problem? Given. What is given? Rupees 86,574 are collected. Write down here. First, collected rupees. How much? Collected rupees 86,574. From these, some rupees are spent. Write that amount. Spent rupees. How many? Spent rupees are 74,254. 74,254. And what we have to find? We have to find remaining amount. Students, remaining amount is to be used for groundwater recharging. Means here we have to find how much money remains for this work. So, remaining amount, write down here. Remaining amount is equal to, how to find remaining amount? Collected rupees minus spent rupees. Collected rupees minus spent rupees. And write down here. Therefore, remaining amount is equal to, remaining amount is equal to, see here, how much collected rupees? 86,574 minus spent rupees. How much spent rupees? 74,254. 74,254. And solve this subtraction. First, arrange given subtraction vertically. 86,574 minus 74,254. And solve. 4 minus 4, 0. 7 minus 5, 2. Then next place, 5 minus 2, 3. Then 6 minus 4, Available for which one? Available for, see here, which one? Groundwater recharging are available for ground water recharging. Means students, again see here, in this question or in this problem, collected rupees are given, spent rupees are given, and from these two values we find remaining amount. How? Collected rupees minus spent rupees. Therefore our answer is 12,320 are available for groundwater recharging. Do you understand? Now student, see, exercise depend on this subtopic. Question number 1, subtract. Here example of subtraction is given. First give places, units, tens, hundreds, thousands. Students, up to previous lecture we learn about thousands place. After thousands place, which place come? 10,000. Write down here 10,000 and solve place wise. 2 units minus 1 units. 1 units remain. Write down here in units column. 3 tens minus 2 tens. 1 tens. 4 hundreds minus 3 hundreds. Again here 1 hundreds. 7,000 minus 4,000. 3,000. And here 1 10,000 minus 1 10,000 is equal to 0. Therefore our answer is 17,432 minus 14,321 is equal to 3,111. Do you understand? Now see, next example, example number 2. Before solving this example, give places, units, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000. Here add 1 extra place, 10,000's place. 6 units minus 5 units. How much? 1 unit. Write down here 1. Then 7 tens minus 0 tens. How much? 7 tens. Write down here 7. Then 900s minus 400s. How much? 500s. Next 8,000 minus 7,000. How much? 1,000. Write down here 1 at thousands place. And last 10,000's place. 3 10,000 minus 2 10,000. How much? 1. Write down 1 here at 10,000's place. Therefore, our answer is 38,976 minus 27,405 is equal to 11,571. Do you understand, students? Now next question. Now students, question number 2. Arrange vertically and subtract. Here given examples are in horizontal form. We have to arrange this example vertically and after that do subtraction of these examples. See here example number 1. 13,908 minus 2,705. Students, arrange given example vertically. First give places, units, tens, hundreds, thousand and last 10,000. Arrange given example. Here at units place 8, at tens place 0, at hundreds place 9, at tens place 3 and at 10,000's place 1 minus, see next number, at units place 5, at tens place 0, at hundreds place all of you. Thank you. Stay home.